Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about message retrieval operations, SMTP server, and SMTP security. What is message retrieval operations? Message retrieval operations refer to the processes used by email clients to access and download messages from a mail server. The two main protocols used for message retrieval are POP3, means Post Office Protocol version 3, IMAP, means Internet Message Access Protocol. POP3 means download emails from the mail server to the user's device and often deletes them from the server afterwards. IMAP means keeps emails on the server, allowing users to view, organize, and manipulate emails from multiple devices without downloading them permanently. IMAP is better suited for users who access emails across various devices. Once downloaded, the default behavior is to delete the emails from the server, although configurations can be adjusted to leave copies on the server. This makes POP3 suitable for individuals who typically access their emails from a single device and prefer to manage their emails locally without requiring ongoing server access. In contrast, IMAP is designed for users who need to access their emails from multiple devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers. With IMAP emails on the server, allowing users to view, organize, and delete messages without downloading them. So SMTP server. SMTP server is responsible for sending, receiving, and relaying outgoing emails between the sender's email client and recipient's email server. SMTP is the standard protocol for email transmission on the internet. Sending emails. When you send an email, your email client connects to an SMTP server to transmit your message to the recipient's email server. Relaying emails. If the recipient's email server is on a different domain, the SMTP server routes the email through various intermediate servers to deliver it. So SMTP security. To ensure email security and prevent malicious activity like spamming, SMTP servers often implement several security features like SSL or TSL. These encryption protocols secure email communication by encrypting the connection between your email client and the SMTP server, ensuring that the message contents are not intercepted or altered during transmission. SMTP authentication. Before allowing an email to be sent, SMTP servers often require authentication, such as a username and password. This prevents unauthorized users from sending emails through the server. That is all, guys. Thank you.